Did you know there is a super quick hack to change improper fractions into whole or mixed numbers? Yes, a quick hack. And did you know why 7/3 equals to 2 1/3? Today, I'm going to show you a quick hack to change improper fractions into mixed numbers and explain exactly how it works, step by step. After that, we'll practice 3 levels of questions to strengthen your skills. Hi, I'm Miss Sun from GrowMathEasy. After being head of math, I've spent over 18 years teaching maths, and I love turning tricky concepts into quick, easy hacks. My mission is simple: help you to understand math, not just do it. So today, let's make improper fractions simple, fun, and super easy. Alright, our magic trick today is use division. Yeah, that's it. Every time you see an improper fractions, all you need to do is divide the top number by the bottom number. Let me show you. Change 7/3 into a mixed number. We use our quick hack, divide the top number by the bottom number. So we do 7 divided by 3. Let's divide. How many groups of 3 fit into 7? That's 2. 3 times 2 is 6, with 1 left over. So the whole number is 2. We keep the same denominator, 3, and the numerator becomes the remainder, 1. So 7/3 equals 2 1/3. Your mixed number, done.
How does division magically turn an improper fraction into a mixed number?
Let's walk through an example to see how the division trick works. Change 7/3 into a mixed number. 7/3 means 7 1/3. That means the whole has been divided into 3 equal parts, and we have 7 of those parts. So we can write it as 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3. That can be grouped as 3/3 plus 3/3 plus 1/3. And we know 3 1/3 make 1 whole. So that becomes 1 plus 1 plus 1/3. Therefore, 7/3 equal 2 1/3. That's exactly what division does. It tells us how many groups of 3 fit into 7. There are 2 groups of 3 in 7, and the remainder 1 tells us the part left over, which becomes the numerator of the mixed number. So we get 7/3 equals 2 1/3. So simple. Here's another example. Let's change 8 halves into a whole or mixed number. We can write 8 halves into half plus half plus half plus half plus half plus half plus half. This can be grouped as 2 halves plus 2 halves plus 2 halves plus 2 halves. And we know 2 halves make 1 whole. So that becomes 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Therefore, 8 halves equals to 4 wholes. Now let's use the quick hack to check our answer. Take the top number, the numerator, and divide it by the bottom number, the denominator. 8 divided by 2 is 4. No remainder, no fractions left over. So this one becomes a whole number instantly. Therefore, 8 halves equals 4. Same answer as before. Now that we've learned the quick hack for converting improper fractions into mixed numbers and why it works, it's practice time. We'll go through 3 levels with 2 questions in each level. Feel free to pause the video anytime if you want to try them on your own or if you need a bit more thinking time. Question 1. Change 5/3 into a whole or mixed number. Use our quick hack. Divide 5 by 3. How many 3's fit inside 5? We can use one group of 3, and there are 2 left over. So the mixed number is 1 and 2/3. Question 2. Change 7/5 into a whole or mixed number. Divide the top number 7 by the bottom number 5. How many 5's fit inside 7? We can make one group of 5 and 2 are left over. So the mixed number is 1 and 2/5. Okay, moving up. Level 2, medium questions. If this video is helping you, don't forget to hit subscribe so you won't miss any deep understanding math lessons to boost your math skills. Question 3. Change 13 halves into a whole or mixed number. We divide the top number 13 by the bottom number 2. How many 2's fit in 13? We can make 6 groups of 2. That's 12 and 1 is left over. So the answer is 6 and 1/2. Question 4. Change 13 quarters into a whole or mixed number. We divide the top number 13 by the bottom number 4. How many 4's fit in 13? We can make 3 groups of 4. That's 12. And 1 is left over. So the answer is 3 and 1/4. Easy. Alright, we made it to level 3. These questions look hard, but with our quick hack, they are about to feel easy. Question 5. Change 24/6 into a whole or mixed number. We divide 24 by 6. How many 6 fit into 24? 4 groups of 6 is 24. No remainder. No leftover fractions. Just a perfect whole number. So 24/6 equals 4. Clean and nice. Question 6. Change 56/8 into a whole or mixed number. We divide 56 by 8. How many 8's fit into 56? Yes, 7 groups of 8. That's 56. No remainder, no fractions left. Just another perfect whole number. So 56/8 equals to 7. Easy. Let's quickly review what we learned today. We learned how to change improper fractions to mixed numbers. The quick hack is using divisions. Top number divided by the bottom number. For example, 5 divided by 3 equals 1 remainder 2. So 5/3 is 1 and 2/3. And that's it. Fast and easy. Great job today. You're doing amazing. Keep practicing, keep growing, and I will see you in the next one.